So here we have someone with long mid-back length hair. Stylist cut the hair, added some color. Wow. Beautiful asymmetrical pixie style. I am loving the color with the blonde mixed in. She looks absolutely beautiful. And then we see someone with long ginger colored hair. Stylist places the hair in ponytails and begins to cut. Another gorgeous asymmetrical pixie style. Gorgeous texture there created at the top. And I love this hair color in her, beautifully done. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we will be taking a look at some more long to short hair transformations. So if you are thinking of cutting your hair and you're in need of some major inspiration, you've come to the right place. If you do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, please be sure to like today's video, give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have another long to pixie hair change. Beautiful all black pixie cuts. Very nice texture with this one as well. And then we see someone with long ginger copper colored hair who also decided to switch it up with a pixie style. Very nice. Another asymmetrical pixie look. And then we see someone with long waist length hair. Looks like she's getting a trimming here for this one. Adding in a few layers. Very nice. Wow, she's got some beautiful hair. And then we see someone who has hair just above their shoulders. Looks like she might be in for a cut refresh. The stylist did a nice pixie bob haircut for this one. Next up, we see someone with curly shoulder length hair. I love her sandy blonde color, so pretty. And she decided to shake things up with this curly pixie style. Very nice. Next up, we see someone with curly hair once again. The stylist did do another pixie as well as a blowout. Beautiful. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all these hairstyle ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to like today's video, give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.